get this out of here. See how much better that is? So basically the topic for this video are, there we go, these guys. Those little llamas, right? Almost there, right there. Can I grab them? Give me a second. I'm getting used to it, guys. These, oh, they're orange, but these dudes, they're little llamas that are really, really sad. So disclaimer, this is going to be a build and adventure vlog in 2-in-1 in this video, so if you only are here for the build, then, you know, stick around for this part, but if you want to see the adventure part, then please, you know, stick around for both, because these llamas are just cardboard, and I experimented with them. So I think the best method for these llamas is this kind, which I have cardboard all around. I just have 2 slabs of regular llama and then had a cardboard exterior. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. And then the other method I tried was foam. This is like a millimeter or centimeter thick craft foam all around the edge, as you can see. And gives it kind of more of a very subtle, like, curved texture than the harsh angles of this one. But I think it's supposed to have harsh angles and less than curves. Then duct tape. Don't even get me started about that. Just don't do it unless it's reinforced. Just please don't do it. Don't do duct tape. So weird. Anyway, I filled these guys full of Fortnite 3 prints that I made myself. So I guess I might as well show you. Yeah, that's what these guys are. I have 4 of them, and I'm going to put 3 at Tilted Towers and 1 at... So that's kind of like the build overview. No like time lapse or anything, because I didn't set that up. But if you want me to do time lapse of these guys and maybe the one skin of the dude who wears this as like an inflatable thing, and you got like that skin for season 6. If you want me to do that, get this to 50 likes, because I only have 100 subscribers, and I hear that's a good place to start. So let's go.
Is that Tilted Towers? Oh, is that... We're at Loot Lake right now.
Isn't that like the place that the cube run through or something?
I think so.
Oh my god, Loot Lake looks a little run down.
I think it does too.
Yeah, it has beer bottles in it and whatnot.
Why don't we, there's a chug jug right there.
Oh.
Why don't we skip the accent? Alrighty,
nay.
so where do you want to put these llamas?
Yep. Did you find any place?
I think we've made it to Tilted Towers.
Nice. But these towers aren't very tilted. Hardcore, hardcore.
There's a lot of other squads out here. You're making too much noise. Alright, so where do you want to put it? I'm thinking either the bushes or right there. I'm gonna do a little psychiatric evaluation.
Meeny, meeny, miny, mo, shake a try of ours, so I think how it's going to go. But the chance you picked the very best one, and you are not it.
Alright, we're going right here.
Where are we going?
Okay, just film me, and I'm gonna put it up there. Up where? So, ready? Look in the bag.
Whoa, you got the goods?
This isn't the perfect seat. So I'm gonna put this one up there. Okay, ready?
Okay, you put it up all the way up there. Don't mess up.
Second thought, I can't.
Gunner, you're short. Do you want me to do it?
No, I got it. Yep, we got it.
No, that's disgusting. Wait, no, hold this.
No, you got it. What, are you gonna do it better?
Do you want me to like try to jump on here and then?
No, you can just put it up there, because then people will see it and get it.
Fine.
See, look how good that is. That is very beautiful. What's hardcore? Let's see it.
Oh, wait. There's Loot Lake. We can put one on the ledge.
Oh my god,
It's Loot Lake. Not the rundown one.
Yeah. Yeah, let's put it on the ledge.
Well, no,
it's kinda obvious
and
You wanna put one like in the bushes here? Like right there.
Loot Lake. What's that? Nice and open.
Alright, let's see it. Okay. Put it right in there.
Yeah.
That one's a good one.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So, what's your level?
What?
What's your level?
My level?
Yeah, your level.
Oh, I'm a solid 76.
Solid 76, right?
Solid. It's pretty solid.
Oh, 76. I'm a level 26. Come at me, bro.
Oh.
Throwing hands.
What skin do you have?
I'm a default.
Oh, nah. Okay. You
Nope.
free to play?
What?
You free to play?
Yeah.
I'm free. No.
Alright, let's walk.
Okay, come on.
Hey, bus, you're gonna have to wait
Bus.
for us. The battle bus is coming. Go parkour.
Okay.
See it.
Unlicensed, there's a bike coming behind you. Oh, no, never mind. Okay,
Go. Do it.
I am the one,
You did a great job. Give me my
great.
son.
Here you
Take
go.
the camera.
Take the camera. Okay, we got this. Okay. Oh.
I am the one,
That wasn't a really nice recovery, though. You didn't roll.
Do
you want a llama,
Do you want a
James?
llama?
Do you want the llama? Just take the Fortnite llama, James. Take
What
the,
are you
it's now
guys
yours.
doing with
It's
your
got
life?
V-Bucks.
Open it. Gunner, what it? No, Gunner.
No, it's okay. You gotta.
Gunner.
Llama, right? Just keep it.
Oh, Gunner.
Thanks, mate. You have a nice day.